Do is to remove the negative battery cable from the battery. Now once we do that, we want to remove the top column cover right here. Take that out of the way. And we want to go down on the bottom because we want to remove the bottom column covers. There are 3 7mm screws, and we need to remove those now. Alright, let's get this bottom cover off. Alright, there we go. Next thing we need to do is to remove the switch here that's above the ignition lock switch. There are 2 T20 screws. Slide that out and just put it right like that. Now to remove the lock cylinder, there's a little access hole right here that was below the switch. I'm using a 1/16 wire, and we're going to turn the ignition to the run position right there, and there it is. Put it back in with just, and that's it. So that's all there is to removing a ignition lock cylinder on your Saturn Ion.